motto of Explain Everything is that it empowers students to create presentations, lessons, tutorials, and more with this highly adaptable tool. Students are learning about digital creation in one of the best ways by doing it. A con is that because of all the functionality, it does take some time to get up and running. Let's watch a short demonstration on how to use Explain Everything. Welcome to Explain Everything. This is my brief overview of how this program works. What I want to show you is I've already inserted two pictures, and what I did is the first picture I'm showing you is the template, is the actual toolbox that you use in order to create your presentation. On the left-hand side, what you see is that what I'm highlighting are the tools that you can use in order to create. You can insert a video and photo, you can freeform write, you can cut things, you can turn things around. What you can also do is, I'll show you the freeform, is you can change it into any color that you would like and say hello. And you can switch colors if you want. And then once you've created it, you can make it smaller or bigger, and you can put it anywhere you want into your presentation. That was done by using the tools, like this was the writing tool right here. This is what made it an object to make it to move around in, and this is what I used to insert a picture. You can also collaborate with this, and when you collaborate, what you can do is you can ask other people to join you, and you just push this button right down here, and when you push this button right down here, you can actually get a screen like this, and then what it's going to do is it's going to give you a code which you share with the rest of your team in order to do your project. And from there, you can make these wonderful things, whatever you want to do in your projects. Turn them around, mess around, videos, so many opportunities. I suggest you take a look at this, see what you can do with your students with this, and have a great time. Interested in knowing more about this program? Look at explaineverything.com and give it a try. One of the pros of Minecraft is that it is a fantastic tool for collaborative student-directed work, yet it is teacher-oriented, and the teacher gets to decide what lesson, what are they going to learn, and it's very directed. The con is it is not web-based just yet, and it is also takes a little bit to understand it.
In today's education, it's more and more important that teachers have a range of skills that build on the traditional teaching skills that they already have. Because Minecraft is a sandbox game, there's a range of opportunities that teachers can make use of.
Students can create worlds, they can visit existing worlds like ancient Greece or the pyramids, they can create mathematical problems, they can create electrical circuits, they can learn programming. It's a whole world of opportunities.
Now the version that we use, Minecraft EDU, also allows us to program certain elements, so we can make use of it in terms of enhancing the collaboration skills of pupils.
You can do anything on it.
Edmondo is a collaboration app that is specially designed for secondary students in mind. It is set up to look a lot like Facebook, and so the kids think they're having social interaction when they're really acquiring content and being able to collaborate with their classmates. Edmondo acts very much like Blackboard, but looks like Facebook so that it is engaging for the students. You can post assignments, discussion boards, and share content. It is a safe and secure platform. Students can have reminders sent to their emails or to their phones, and it's fast and posted in real time. The drawbacks of Edmondo are that because it is set up like Blackboard and looks like Facebook, it does lend itself better to secondary students who are familiar with that type of platform. Secondly, it can be used like a chat room, and so it is important to teach students proper etiquette. So this can be a great learning opportunity, but it is something that teachers need to be aware of. Padlet is a wonderful collaborative tool that lets the kids create mind maps in a very visual way. It's perfect for younger kids especially, but can work well with older kids when they want to get more in depth as well. Padlet is an iPad app that also has a web application. The free version allows for 5 Padlets. It allows focus on content rather than presentation. You can create with color, text, image, and video. You can collaborate or send an email invite, and it's great for kids with organizational problems. The downside of Padlet is that drawings, pictures, and videos cannot be moved or edited. There is no spell check or grammar check, so the kids are going to have to use an old-fashioned dictionary. It is created for Apple products or web-based only, and students under 13 cannot make their own accounts. It will have to be made by a parent or a teacher. Padlet is a really good, creative, collaborative tool that is easy to implement and to teach your students how to use.
Google Drive allows students and teachers to share files with one another. Many different people can be in the same file at the same time, collaborating and cooperating with one another for a common goal. Google Drive allows for easy storage, management.
Sharing files with Google Drive is only a right click away. Sharing documents through Google Drive allows you to share one document with more than one person, and you are able to establish whether or not multiple people can edit, comment, or view a document. You can also set an expiration so that a student only has access to a document for a certain amount of time. Google Drive syncs with all G Suite products, including Google Docs, Slides, Google Classroom, and Google Sheets. Using the Google Classroom feature, it also allows teachers to be able to create an assignment that automatically creates a folder and access to all of student work. Because multiple students are able to work on one file at one point in time, a teacher can track their progress and how often they collaborate. We can see here that many different students were working on one document at the same time, making edits. The Save Changes feature in Google Docs and Slides allows for a teacher to police this. Padlet is a collaborative learning app. It acts as a virtual wall that allows people to express their thoughts on a common topic easily. It works like an online sheet of paper where people can put any content, images, videos, documents, text, anywhere on the page, together with anyone from any device. Collaboration is the action of working with someone to produce or create something. Padlet creates an opportunity for students to be able to collaborate on the same document at the same time. There, they can share images, text blocks, videos, all for a common purpose and a common belief. Padlet creates an opportunity for students to share, create, and learn from one another. Many different contributors can be added simply by creating a username. Padlet also has certain privacy settings that keeps walls private, unless security settings are changed to make it open to the world. Teachers that use Padlet like that it gives them their own little corner of the internet to collect and save information in a simple and fun manner. It's a versatile tool that can be used by many different age groups. It also has the added bonus of being able to be exported to a PDF or Excel spreadsheet, or you can embed it in a website or blog. Some things you should know before using Padlet is that the walls are semi-private by default. There may be an extra step in ensuring total privacy. There's no way to track who posts unless a student signs in or they write their name at the top. and it's not completely compatible with mobile devices. Mobile devices do not have all the capabilities of a desktop computer. Padlet is a great app that can be used in many different subjects. It can be used for brainstorming or creating a storyboard. It can be accessed through your iTunes Store or Google Play and is used on any mobile device. Byboard is a web-based learning application that allows users to create, share, and collaborate on various content. Educators use Byboard to create initial materials for a lesson and then later share those materials with students for collaboration. Byboard allows students to type, draw, add photos, and instant message with collaborators and others invited to view the board. As they work together, students learn teamwork, cooperation skills, and to respect others' viewpoints. The instant message feature provides an opportunity for students to practice brevity and respect while using brief written messages. Byboard connects wirelessly over the internet and allows students to work in the same document at the same time. Through this sharing of ideas, students collaborate to learn from one another. Comments and questions can also be posted to teachers, allowing teachers to collaborate with their students. Byboard is an interactive whiteboard. Students can not only post their material, but they can also draw and share ideas and expressions through their artistry. Teachers are able to monitor what students are doing to make sure that they're staying on task and all content is appropriate. If you plan on using Byboard in your classroom, there are a couple of things that you should know first. First, there's no in-app tutorial or detailed in-app instructions. Second, Byboard is only compatible with iOS users. That means that it can only be accessed through iPhones and iPads. Byboard is a great collaborative learning app for all ages.